Start recording as soon as I go outside today. Bright moon in the sky. Bright star. Dog's out again. Here's an excuse. Film. But y'all really know what I want. Real shit. Heard a noise over there. Sounded like a door, but it's, I don't know. It didn't really. It seemed just like normal. Someone opened the door. It didn't seem paranormal, if that makes sense. Careful what one fucking like it. Massive bite on the asphalt there. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? I don't even know where that came from. It sounded like it was behind me. I think I should hear it again. I heard something. It was picked up looking at me. I don't hear nothing. Just a little bit apprehensive. There was something. Sounded like something hitting metal, kind of like you can't really tell. There's a light fixture right there. It kind of sounded like something hit one of those, but way off in the distance. Oh shit, that was loud. Again, there are really big air conditioners on these houses, so the noises can be that if they're coming from this general direction. I don't know if these buildings have the big air conditioning units or not. It's possible. God, that looks really pretty. Sorry, I'm not really looking at the camera. I'm just walk the front, see if I see anything. And I don't. This would be a perfect scenario if it wasn't next to a fucking highway, you know? Especially because I'd be able to figure out if some of these noises were the air conditioners or not. For 6 minutes. I haven't really heard any action. Usually you'll hear something up on the roof. I haven't heard that either. I have run out before, like as soon as I hear it, but I've never seen anything up there, so once again I'm not really sure about this thing's physical nature, if it has one. I have not seen anything, just heard shit. Getting kind of quiet out. That was the air conditioner. That one was, because I can hear it buzzing. That was definitely the air conditioner. That is 100% the air conditioner. Confirmed. Doesn't mean every noise over there is, but that one for sure was, because I heard it buzz to life after the click. It sounded like it just shut off immediately, which is weird. Shouldn't have done that, or maybe after it buzzes on, maybe the fan turns on. I don't know how it works. But that one was definitely the air conditioner. What are these things? Damn it, why can't I hang it there? These air conditioning units? Can't tell. That was weird, I just heard a buzzing. Doesn't sound like any bug I'm familiar with. Well, it could have been for sure. Just never heard that particular noise before. In nature. Damn, not very much action tonight. I might not even upload this. Something major doesn't happen. I mean, you can't expect something major to happen every night, but it seemed like noises happen out here pretty consistently. I might have missed the high energy by half an hour or something. I don't know. Just don't know enough about it to really say. Past 10 minutes. If nothing's happening, there's no reason to continue. Reporting on the off chance something does happen. Nope, every night can't be a winner, I guess.